to my channel. So today I am doing like a slight maintenance vlog. Now I did my nails last week, so my nails will not be making a cut this week. And we're gonna go in with this relaxer here, with this here. My edges, I've already sectioned them off on camera. We're gonna steal my mom's Blue Magic and we're gonna slap it. We're gonna slap it like on the parts that I don't want the relaxers to get on, and basically, you know, that, just that alone. I don't want some parts to get relaxed. And you know what's insane? You can, I mean, you can use like a mixture of coconut oil and conditioner. I've seen that. I've used that before. That works well also. Ooh, dirty. We have those and the instructions. Those are not for me. This is actually pretty big for the area that I'm gonna do. Should I do my kitchen? I don't wear my hair up as much anymore. And honestly, I really do. 32.2. Just for everybody else in the back business. That's how it is. I say buy the full container. I say buy the full relaxer. This doesn't come with the bowl, so now I have to fashion up a bowl somehow, some way. So we're going to dump it in the solo cup. It's ghetto, I know, but I didn't read what this would come with. But you know what I do appreciate? It's not as slippery as a traditional relaxer. Before I start going off the hinges, it's not as slippery as a traditional relaxer, so you have more control over where it goes. Like I probably didn't need to like next time if I was to buy this, I won't need to like take all these safety protocols with my hair basically, because it's so thick. Where's the wooden spatula? Because I gotta have something, like something. I get it with it. Okay. Oh, slipped out. I'm on the road to crash out because what are you guys talking about? Anyways, this is the best that I can do.
I'm doing what I want, doing what I want, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
We are going to do a 5-minute timer. She going off.
And her top #1.
Yeah, this is what my edges are looking like. This is how we're building up to the function. And this is no edge control. This is just a little bit of conditioner. This is just a little bit 2 minutes out the door. Y'all, I'm getting real critical about my time. Like, and my edges is not gonna be one of the things that are like, oh no. If I can fix it, I will fix it. Well, if I can work with it, I'm gonna work. If I cannot, I won't. But anyway, let's get this hair together, the rest of this hair together. And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do my eyebrows. Anyways, we're doing this. Let's start off with this much. With this many.
Now what you in a rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? The time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You getting mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same old day.
They say 3 minutes, I say 10. Let's see. Let's see. This actually is not that bad. Not bad at all. What's the last thing? So the last thing that I did want to do today was actually, this steps call for you to cleanse your face, and I'm gonna go in with my current cleanser, well, the one that I'm choosing to use today. I'm gonna go in with this cleanser face. I'm gonna go in with this toner. By the way, I do plan on getting my eyebrows microbladed, so this was an amazing start to, like, you know, figure out what shape that I want on my brows. Like, do I make the commitment now? But like, this tint is, like, I like how I did it. I didn't like how it looked when I went to the nail shop. I will put a picture. I will put a picture. When I went to the nail shop, they played in my face. They played in my face. I swear I have some beef with the nail shop. I swear I do. So now they want you to tone your face.
Or in, I guess, in reference to people and how those people are going to perceive you.
You know what they say. Get out.